I never thought I'd be making a video on something like this before, but well, here you go. This is the Baap of all webcams, Logitech's all new MX Brio Master Series 4K webcam, and the kind of specs and configuration Logitech is offering, right? It'll blow your mind. So problem with your regular webcams is they have like very limited dynamic range and low light performance is like literally horrible, guys. I've seen so many models from a personal experience. I'm telling that is not the case over here, because Logitech on their all new MX Brio 4K webcam, they are offering their largest image sensor, guys, which they've never used before, and also comes with like AI based image enhancement. So I'm like pretty excited. On top of that, it offers like native 4K 30 fps recording, and if you're like a streamer or gamer, right, it does support like 1080p 60 fps recording also, and plenty of interesting features. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. Apart from that, I also have like a special contest in this video for my audience. Let me just bring it. So if this video crosses like 500 likes, right, I will give this Logitech's M240 wireless Bluetooth mouse to a lucky subscriber on our channel. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to like this video and click the notifications bell icon on so you can stay up to date with all the channel updates happening over here. Once it reaches like 500 likes, I will pick like a random lucky winner from the comment section down below and give it to him. So that's it. Let's get started with the unboxing. So Logitech's all new MX Brio 4K webcam comes in this sort of box packaging, compact square looking box, and as I've told you, this model is available in two different colors. You get silver edition, black edition is also there. We have the silver edition, and MX Brio is from their Master Series lineup, guys, like offers flagship level features. So pretty excited to unbox and show it to you people in this video. I have lots of expectations and hopes, guys, so let's see how it turns out. As soon as you open it, at the top side you've got some instructions on how to set it up and use it, and there you go, boys, our brand new MX Brio 4K webcam from Logitech. Keeping that aside, you're also getting some accessories which include a Type C to Type C cable, standard 1.5 meter length, but definitely a very fat cable, I can say, and some documents as well. Make sure to read this for all the details on how to set it up and use it. So that's it. These are all the accessories. Now let me give you like a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality first. Later we'll come back and talk about the specs and configuration. Let me just peel off the stickers and show you how the camera looks like. And there you go, boys, Logitech's all new Master Series MX Brio 4K webcam in the hands. And initial impressions, my god, definitely looks like pro level stuff. And look at this webcam also has like an integrated privacy shutter. That too, you can access it in a very cool way. Simply turn the ring and you can close it whenever not in use. On the front you have the Logi branding as well, plus also has like two microphones, guys, beam foaming microphones on the front side with AI noise reduction, and I believe this one is your tiny status LED indicator on the right side. Now talking about the actual camera sensor, right, as I've told you, it features like a very large 8.5 megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor. Going to the back side, you've got a nice glossy finish at the back side with a Type C port at the center. Overall build quality looks very good and also quite premium for the price point. I mean, come on, you're paying like quite hefty amount over here for a webcam, so this was expected. And good thing is the whole bottom stand is like fully adjustable and also detachable, guys. You can twist it, turn, flex it, any direction, any position you want, you can do it just like this. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the camera, connect it to my computer, use it for some time, and then I'll be back to continue this video and talk about the image quality and also all the features this thing has. Alright guys, our Logitech MX Brio 4K webcam is all set up and good to go. The video that you're actually checking out is directly recorded on Logitech's MX Brio only. We'll come there and talk about the image quality part in a moment, but before that, first of all, let me tell you my experience with the setup. Setting up this webcam was like very simple, guys. Walk in the park is what I can say. Plug and play solution. Simply connect like a Type C cable from the webcam to your PC or laptop, and that's it. Open Windows camera application on your Windows PC and you're good to go with the webcam. Though I'd highly recommend you to download their Logitech software, and let me tell you, this webcam supports like 2 to 3 different softwares from Logitech only, depending on your requirement. For example, if you are like a very basic user, you don't want any sort of advanced settings and options, right, you can go for the Logi Options Plus software, guys. So that is like very simple to use. But if you're like an advanced user, you want to access all the image quality settings, then I'd recommend you to go for the Logitech G Hub solution, which I'm currently using in this video to access all the settings of this webcam. We'll talk about that only in this video. I'll definitely give give you like a quick tour of that software also at a later part in the video. So before we directly get to the image quality and talk about the performance of this webcam, right, first of all let me quickly tell you about the specs and configuration of this webcam, basically the image sensor that you're getting on board. So first of all guys, MX Brio is from their master series lineup, and you might have already seen plenty of popular peripherals from their MX series, right, like their MX master series mouse and a lot of the keyboard as well. This makes it their very first flagship level webcam from the MX series lineup. So I'm definitely having lots of hopes and expectations over here. And if you talk about the image sensor on board, this particular webcam features a 8.5 megapixel 4K Sony Starvis sensor. Now unfortunately Logitech has not revealed a lot of information regarding the exact model or variant of the sensor, because you know Sony Starvis is available in like different sizes. You get like from 1 by 1.2 inch image CMOS sensor size to all the way up to like 1 by 2.8 inch also, which is a bit smaller guys. So I'm not sure which particular variant is there on this model, but at the end of the day all that matters to a regular consumer or audience is image quality and performance, right? And that is actually pretty good. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. Apart from that, if you talk about the lens, you're getting a f2.0 lens, and that too with a very ultra wide viewing angle guys. Native field of view is around 90 degrees, but it is fully adjustable using their software solution. You can switch between 90 degrees, 78 degrees, or even up to like a 65 degrees for a much narrow field of view, only focusing your face in the picture frame guys. And good thing is this webcam also has like autofocus support. So as you can see right now, even if I'm coming very close to the webcam, it is definitely keeping the picture in frame, and if I go farther away also quickly focuses back onto my face and pretty much keeps the subject in focus no matter where I'm going. I believe there's also Logitech's different software name, and in that they also have support for auto framing as well, which is like pretty useful for all business clients who basically move a lot, you know, while giving some sort of presentations and demos. So that's it. These are the basic specs and highlights of the image sensor and all the features you're getting on this webcam. We'll talk about the microphone and the audio quality part after the video quality guys. And initially when I actually saw the price tag of this webcam, right, which is almost like 25,000 rupees in the Indian market, I was a bit skeptical because is it really that good quality webcam? What can you expect over here for the price that you're paying? But once I unboxed it, set it up, connected it to my computer, optimized all the image quality settings and saw the result, right, I was actually like quite impressed guys. There's a night and day difference between the image quality of this 4K webcam MX Brio and your regular affordable 1080p webcam guys. So much amount of difference, and the main reason for that is the image sensor that you're getting on board is newer one. Even if you compare it with the previous Brio 4K, right, it offers up to 2 times finer image detail and also much better face visibility. Plus you're also getting like AI based image enhancements also, right? And not to miss out that much larger image sensor guys. They're saying that the webcam offers up to 70% larger pixels compared to the previous Brio 4K webcam, and because of that you're getting much better low light performance. I mean the video that you're checking out right now is in a very normal room lighting solution with a tube light turned on. I only have like a small light source placed right beside the camera just to give a little bit of exposure on my face. If you're using the same webcam in a much better lighting area, right, maybe you have like a large window, maybe in your living room, then you'll get like much better results. If you talk about the detail, first of all, this video that is being recorded is at its native 4K resolution at 30 fps. Apart from that, it does support 60 fps also at 1080p, which I'll show you after this part. A good amount of detail, as you can see, even if I'm coming close to the webcam, right, there's a lot of detail and clarity. You can check out even, you know, tiny single hair strand also on my face. So good amount of detail is what I can say. And one main thing I'll have to appreciate on this webcam is dynamic range and low light performance. I mean, if you talk about the dynamic range, right, on a lot of other cheaper and affordable webcams, if it is solely focusing on the face, you lose a lot of detail in the highlight areas. Just look at the roof over there guys, it is fully white, right, yet at the same time my face is also like decently lit and you're not losing any amount of detail in those white areas, highlight areas. So both of them are covered. So excellent dynamic range, especially considering it's a webcam. On the overall, now very satisfactory video and image performance on MX Brio. You can definitely share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Keeping the image quality and video part aside, now let's move on and talk about the audio and built-in microphone quality. As I've told you, on board you're getting like a dual beam foaming design, basically 2 microphones on the front side with no noise reduction, and the audio that you're listening to right now is from the built-in microphones of this webcam only. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you'd ask my opinion opinion, right? To be honest, audio experience on this webcam is not that great, guys. And the main reason for that is the whole audio recorded on this thing sounds a bit, like how I'm speaking in a hall. It picks up a bit of echo in the room and gives you that hall sort of effect. I mean, audio quality is nice. There's good amount of clarity. All the vocals and dialogues, everything is like clearly understandable. Everybody can make out what you're speaking, but doesn't give you that pro level stuff. Like, like my personal microphone, which I was using before. Though one thing I do have to mention is any guy who's buying like a premium 25,000 rupees webcam, right? I'm pretty sure you won't use the built-in microphone unless you're on a very tight budget. You would obviously go for something like a podcast microphone or something different audio setup, right? And in that sort of scenario, you might get like much better results. So I'd highly recommend you to go for something external audio solution only. One more feature I totally forgot to talk about is the MX Brio also has something known as show mode. So for example, if you're like a streamer or maybe like a business client and you want to show some sort of product to your audience or maybe your business partners, right? You don't need to completely change the camera position. All you need to do is simply flip the camera like this at a 90-degree position, and that's it. Camera will automatically rotate the image 90 degrees and give you like a much better look and view at the product that you want to show to your audience, just like this. Well, that's it. Time to wrap it up. Our unboxing and full detailed review on Logitech's all-new MX Brio Master Series 4K webcam. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and it is definitely a really good quality 4K webcam for the price that you're paying, and the kind of features it offers, right, definitely justifies the price tag. Only thing if I had to point out now, built-in microphone quality was not up to the mark. But as I've told you guys, when you're spending this much amount on a webcam, I'm pretty sure you will obviously go for like a premium audio solution, something separate only. Anyways, that's it. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like and also subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one.